Well, good afternoon, magandang hapon, and welcome to episode number 1 of the My PI Dream new home build series. We have a new home that's being built right across the street from Villa Feliz over here. We've talked about this in the past few episodes of our pavilion build, kind of a teaser to give you an idea of what's getting ready to happen across the street. We have a new builder, we have some new neighbors here, straight from Ontario, Canada, and we're going to get started on a great project. Well, let's go ahead and get the beginning of this new home build series underway. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, just a little brief history on what we're going to talk about today. Always on episode number 1 of any new home build series, I try to do some type of a 3D flyby movie rendering of the project that you are expected to see built over the next several months. And today's going to be no exception. I just received from the architect of this build, I just received that specific video. So we're going to start out today with that rendering of what you can see up here over my shoulder. It's a little bit more than what you see here, because when this was originally done, there were some design changes. Now I think you're going to be excited to see what these guys are building right across the street from Villa Feliz. You want to sit with me up here, huh? Well, I hope you found that 3D flyby video of the new build very interesting. I know I am. I'm really excited. Just a little bit of background information. The builder is actually a Filipino builder, but has lived overseas for many years doing construction, doing very specific, detailed, very custom builds, specifically in the British Virgin Islands, building on hillsides and mountains that give him a skill set that's unlike many of the builders in this local area right here. So I think you're going to find this particular build to be very interesting. What we're going to do is we're going to follow in the days to come, the weeks to come, and the months to come, this build. I think the estimate for this build is around, I think, 9 to 10 months, and we are already into the build. Or I say we, it's really not me, it's these guys across the street. They're already into the build a little over a month right now, and the month has to do with a lot of the preparation because of the unique challenges, and you'll hear about that once we start going into upcoming videos. So anyway, that's about it for today. I hope you are going to be really interested in this particular build. I know I am. I know the couple from Canada really are as well. This is going to be a very, very exciting build. So until next time, if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you haven't subscribed, click on that little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the wonderful sunny Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.